How do you buy and sell on Quotex? So in this video, I'll cover everything you need to know. So first off, when you do trade on Quotex, what you want to do is you want to select the amount of time that you want to trade with. So you can choose anywhere from 5-second trades to 4-hour trades, okay? So this is more for swing trading, and this is more for day trading, more for scalping. And then this kind of range is more for day trading, okay? And then you want to choose the investment amount. So for example here, I'm going to choose 2 minutes, and then I'm going to choose, let's say $50. And then from here, I'll just choose up or down, okay? I'm just going to change it 5 seconds here so you can see what a trade looks like, okay? So I'm going to actually choose, let's say down here, and we're going to see if it really goes down, okay? So here, we did not make a profit on the trade, but that's just to show you an example of how to make a trade. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and visit bcoin.net for more information like this. And if you want forecasts on things like currency exchanges and cryptocurrencies, bcoin.net is your place to go to, along with 50% off your first deposit on Quotex.